Moving ahead, the top court today expressed strong displeasure after it was informed that an accused in a Ghaziabad case had not been released from jail despite a clear bail order passed by the Apex Court nearly 2 months ago. The accused was granted bail by the Supreme Court on 29th April this year in a case under Section 366 of the IPC and Sections 3 and 5 of Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Act 2021. For your information, Section 366 of IPC deals with kidnapping, abducting, or inducing of a woman to compel her for marriage or illicit intercourse. It's a cognizable, non-bailable offence with punishment up to 10 years of imprisonment and fine. Following the bail order, the trial court in Ghaziabad had issued directions to the jail authorities to release him, provided he wasn't required in any other case. However, the petitioner has now approached the Supreme Court again, stating that the jail authorities refused to release him on the ground that a specific subsection, that is Clause 1 of Section 5 of the 2021 Act, was not explicitly mentioned in the bail order. A bench of Justices K.V. Vishwanathan and N. Koteshwar Singh called this development a travesty of justice and a ridiculous situation, observing that a citizen's liberty cannot be denied due to such technical excuses. Sensing something suspicious, the court said that if the allegation is true, contempt proceedings may be initiated against the superintendent of Ghaziabad jail, and that DG Prisons Uttar Pradesh must appear via video conferencing. The court has also directed the personal appearance of the superintendent in court tomorrow. At the same time, the court cautioned the petitioner, warning that if his claims are found false or if he is being held in another case, serious consequences will follow, including cancellation of the bail order. Justice Vishwanathan made it clear that liberty is not a matter of formality. If a subclause is the only reason for continued detention, the court will act. But if this is misrepresentation, there will be consequences. The matter is now listed as the first item for hearing tomorrow. Stay tuned.